actually is the Azamara White Night? Is it part of the fair? Do you have to wear white? Apparently there's a good buffet? Well, I'm here to answer all of those questions and to take you through our white night that we had on the Azamara Pursuit. The white night is a party that happens every cruise. And essentially they put on this huge buffet on the pool deck. You eat loads of food and have a party afterwards in a beautiful location. Our white night was just off the coast of Santorini, which was really beautiful. And the pool deck was closed most of the afternoon whilst they were setting it up. Do you have to wear white? Sort of. If you have white, then I would definitely wear it because it's kind of part of the fun and you kind of stick out if you don't. But anything with a hint of white or striped white or cream or pastel of sorts would do. And if you just really aren't into the party kind of scene, you don't have to go. You can do everything else on the ship just as normal. But I don't think they had a show on that night because the entertainment staff were up at the party of the white night. The white night starts around 6 o'clock and you turn up, pick any seat and go grab yourself some food when you're ready. Something to be aware of is that it was quite meat heavy, so if you don't eat much meat like me, it is a bit more difficult. We ran into some couples that didn't even go to the white night because they were vegetarian and they just didn't feel like the food was worth the hype. Also to note that all the other dining places are still open, so you can just go to the restaurant if you want instead of the buffet at the white night. But here's a little montage of all of the food they had to offer that night. My personal favourite was the pasta section. I am a pasta fiend. When I saw they had loads of fresh pasta with whatever sauces and whatever ingredients you wanted in it, I had to get some. Here's a picture of my plate. I'm a very plain eater, so don't judge me. David definitely was. How are you enjoying white night?
Delish.
The dessert table was also amazing. They had so much to offer. They had a huge chocolate fountain and they were also making fresh crepe Suzettes, which was chef's kiss. One thing I did find kind of annoying about that is that they could have done a lot more with the chocolate fountain. I wasn't really sure what to do with it because they didn't have any like skewers with things to dip under it. It was just like desserts, chocolate fountain, crepe Suzette, and there was nothing really to do with the chocolate fountain apart from dipping the pre-made desserts under it, which was a little bit odd for me. So that was kind of the one improvement that I would have done on their food section, alongside maybe a few more main veggie options. After the main eating time, they do the crew parade. This is such a fun way to recognise all of the crew on the ship, the ones that you don't even see, all of the different nationalities. They come out with their flags.
USA, USA.
And all of the different departments too, and you can give them all a clap and a cheer. And it's just a really nice way to recognise them for their such hard work. They do a parade around the top deck and then they come down to the pool deck where we're all sat and they kind of walk through, and then they stand at the front with all of their flags and we give them a clap. Also, a fun addition to the night is the captain does come out and give a little speech. He surprised us all by standing at the top above the Azamara sign, and he gave quite a funny speech. I'll insert a clip here.
Now it's time for party. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very
this is when the party starts. I do have to say it was a little bit slow to start off with, but once the live band came out and people were done eating and the food had gone down a bit, it did get really fun. A lot of people were dancing, the entertainment staff were out really hyping people up. They had a really good array of music from kind of old style to country to new music. And it was just a really different evening to the rest. They even had a Congo line going, which they didn't manage to get us up for. Azamara do other specialty events such as the Azamazing Evening, the brunch, the officers barbecue. They did try their best with the Azamazing Evening for us, but we just didn't really get a true experience. So the White Night on our cruise was by far our favourite night. It was just something different, it was really fun, everybody came together, and it was a beautiful setting. Like, what more could you want, really? Please give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos on cruise content. If you have any questions or opinions on the White Night, please put them down below. I'll be happy to answer them, and thank you so much for watching.